Time now for better food. Today we're learning how to make a meal that's sure to impress your Valentine. On February 14th, it's this week.
Yes, it's Bob and Danita Sulick from the Mulb in my hometown, Manchester, showing us how to make a stuffed chicken breast with mushroom sauce and vegetable orzo.
Oh, this looks so delicious. Hi, guys. How are you?
Good to be here.
Good to be here. And you guys went to high school together.
Yes.
We did.
You were in the same graduating class.
Did,
yes.
1979.
And we have our 40th reunion coming up this September.
Yeah, but you guys didn't know each other in high school.
We did not.
Did not.
It was a big class.
Big 600
Oh,
kids.
my
Oh
God.
my gosh,
It's almost
600 kids.
700.
That's incredible. And Bob, you and I, we once dated.
Yeah, I'm
No, I'm just
74.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Annette.
It's okay.
All right, so we're getting started here. What are we making?
Well, I'm making yours. So Bob is doing the. We did chicken and veal, so you can kind of realize that you can use either or.
Okay.
What I've got is I've got 2 chicken breasts that we pounded out kind of thin, and also a piece of veal that we pounded. We did this dish for New Year's Eve at the restaurant. It came out really well. And what we do is we pound this veal out, and we pound the chicken out, and then we put a layer of herbed goat cheese in it. You can use any kind of cheese, really. It's something that's spreadable, and we've got sage, parsley, rosemary. You can use anything in there.
Okay. So
and then we put a nice piece of very thin prosciutto.
Oh, doesn't that look nice?
And because the prosciutto is salty, you don't need to salt any of this. This is going to carry
no
itself.
No seasoning except what's already in the mix.
Right. We did season the flour and the.
Now I'm going to roll these up.
It's literally that simple.
This is the easiest thing in the world. Now we've got a breading station here, flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. And in the breadcrumbs, we've got a little bit of grated Romano cheese.
Okay.
All right, so Danita's got a hot pan going. And I'm just, go ahead.
Go ahead. You're rolling it out in the flour.
I'm rolling out flour, knock off the extra.
Is that called dredging?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I'm impressed. Yeah, very good.
What do you think of that?
Very good.
You're learning.
I think you've been practicing.
And you can do this ahead of time. You know, you can do this a couple hours ahead of time. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to drop these into this hot oil. It's got to be a little bit smoky because that'll seal everything up.
Okay.
All right? All right, now Danita, you walk them through the orzo because you got another thing going.
So I started off with onions, red onion, garlic, and a little bit of olive oil. Sauteed that. I threw in some cherry tomato halves. And then we threw in a little sherry to deglaze the pan. And now I have thrown in some spinach and a little chicken stock because we're gonna. It's kind of gonna be like a little bit of a risotto.
Okay. And any kind of sherry? Does it make a difference?
Sherry wine? No, it doesn't make a difference.
No,
you can use anything. You can use Marsala, Madeira, white wine, red wine, whatever you want.
Okay. Perfect.
So we just really want to get some chicken stock in there to re-moisten the orzo. The orzo has been toasted and cooked.
Toasted?
We toasted it in a dry pan first.
Isn't that interesting?
It just gives it a little more depth of flavor.
Dry saute pan on an open flame or on an electric burner, and you throw the orzo in before you cook it, and it'll just toast. It'll get a little bit brown. You'll see it. It'll come. It's just like toasting almonds or peanuts or something like that, and it picks up that nice toasted color.
Did you ever toast orzo?
I don't think I've ever toasted orzo.
I don't think you've ever toasted orzo?
I used to toast couscous before I did that.
Same idea.
Same thing. Absolutely same thing.
You know what's good with this too is I like to put some dried fruit in it, maybe some apricots or prunes or something like that, apples, and that brings the Middle Eastern flavors out.
Isn't that wonderful?
So we probably have got this cooked enough. Even we just wanted the stove is boiling. So we're going to pull it off, and you're going to just
put some mascarpone?
Get a couple things of mascarpone in there for me.
And mascarpone has no flavor. It doesn't really have a taste, does it?
Like cream cheese.
Like cream cheese.
Yeah, it is. I mean, so if you didn't have mascarpone, you can use some cream cheese.
All right.
We'll take a little bit more of that.
Oh, look at how beautiful this is over here.
Oh, that's creamy.
It's nice and creamy. We're good with that. Yeah, we're good. So we'll throw it back over here.
Look at you know how to work in this power.
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
It's unbelievable. She's the only one in the whole state that knows how to use the stovetop.
Well, I don't know about that. And then, Paul, we're going to throw in a little Romano cheese as well.
Romano cheese.
This is a very rich dinner.
And I think you have like 90 cheeses in this.
Well,
dish.
you know. So here's our veal and our chicken.
Yeah, that's great.
Oh, so you have the veal and the chicken.
I'm doing it just for us today because it's a nice meal.
Isn't that beautiful? All right, so you're going to cook that up.
Yeah, and typically, honestly, at the end, once you get all of your orzo kind of cooked down in your chicken stock so that chicken stock is almost gone, that's when you would kind of fold in your mascarpone. I'm kind of cheating a little, because you can break the mascarpone. It can break a little, but we're not that worried about it right now.
That means it'll separate because of the heat.
Yeah.
We got
So I'm
about
going to watch it.
We got
and
about
then,
a minute.
All right, that you guys can try. Just give me that.
Couple of plates.
Yep. A little loose, but
That would come together
there.
if you cooked it a little more.
Oh yeah.
though. Yeah.
We'll just sit there for a sec.
Give them that, and then put a little on the plate so the plate looks nice, honey.
Why don't you put that on there?
Here, give that to Scott. Give me
I'll
a
take
spoonful right here.
All right,
on
you're
the
going to give
plate.
them some of the.
Yep, we're gonna do all that.
All right.
All right, hang on.
Well, we don't have a lot of time to do all that.
All right, honey.
Beautiful.
That
give
is
them that.
gorgeous.
Let me grab a fork. Oh, look
There
at
you
that.
go.
You got some mushrooms there.
Have
Got some
chicken.
mushrooms.
Yes, I'm
Forks
sorry.
over there, Paul.
Okay. Scott, you need a fork?
All right.
I'm good. Thank
no
you.
mushroom sauce?
Oh yeah, put a little
Oh,
mushroom sauce
yeah.
on. I don't know.
All right, want to get Paul Marty some?
Oh, sure.
Some chicken?
Yep.
Then?
All right, for a great meal, be sure to check out the Mulb, located on Main Street in Manchester. The website, themulb.com. This is absolutely looks delicious.